Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to cover how to market to teachers and promote your lesson plans online for sale. By the end of this video, you should know exactly which steps you want to take to get started promoting your lessons. Hey, welcome back to Sell Your Lessons. I'm Jessie, your digital marketing and tech coach, and today we're going to cover how to promote your lesson plans online to market to teachers. Now, you have your lesson plans built, you have a platform ready to sell, and now you need to find the people that are going to buy them. Oftentimes, you have to think about where are teachers, specifically the teachers that you are most interested in, whether they be classroom teachers or homeschooling teachers, or just people learn or trying to find lesson plans to maybe teach themselves. You need to figure out where you're going to find those people and go there. So there are a few different routes you can go, and I really want to help you cover your bases. So we're going to go over different places that you might go when you're ready to start promoting your lesson plans. First, we're going to talk about SEO platforms, or search engine optimization. Basically, when someone types something in a search engine like Google, what comes up first? If you optimize your lesson plans and optimize your pages, hopefully you are the person that's going to be coming up on the first page. And honestly, if you're not coming up on the first page, it's going to be very difficult for people to find your lessons. So you need to optimize your pages for things like keyword research, so you are that person that comes up on the first page of the search engine results. We're talking about platforms like blogging, podcasting with a blog, and YouTube. Different platforms that you can put out content and then optimize them for those keywords, so when people search those keywords, they land on your site, which leads them to purchase your lesson plans. Next, we're going to talk about social platforms, things like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube even. It's really nice because you want to go find where people are at. So if your ideal client is hanging out on Twitter, that's where you should be. If your ideal client is hanging out on Facebook, that's where you should be. Same thing with Instagram. Instagram is really nice because you get those beautiful product mock-up shots, and it really draws people in to promote and sell your lessons. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out this video all about creating that product mock-up shot so you can really draw people in, whether it be on somewhere like Instagram or other platforms as well. Third, we're going to talk about your email list. Now, this is a favorite of a lot of people just because it's a source of traffic you own. Now, let me explain. If you build up everything and all of your marketing on one platform, say Facebook, and then tomorrow you get locked out, what are you going to do? How are you going to continue to reach your audience? Same thing for your blog. What if for some reason it stops getting that traction online, and when people search in the search engine, it doesn't come up? What are you going to do? If you build an email list, you can continually begin to email them and tell them about the new things you're creating or any sales you have going on, and you can continue that conversation with the people that are most interested in what you have to sell. Especially as you start to put out new products, having an email list is really nice because you can start to market straight to the people who are already interested in what you have to sell. Some of you at this point may be wondering, what about Pinterest? It's a huge platform, and I haven't even mentioned it. In fact, Pinterest is in the top 3 of largest search engines in the world. So why haven't I mentioned it yet? Well, Pinterest doesn't really fall under any of those categories. It's not really SEO because you're not creating content to put on Pinterest. You're linking to something else. Pinterest links to, say, your blog, for example. And it's not really social because people aren't having conversations while they're on Pinterest. So where does it kind of fall? Pinterest is a great platform to promote your SEO content. So whether that be your YouTube videos, your podcast, your blog, whatever it is that you're doing for that search engine optimization, Pinterest is a great way to promote it so others know what you're doing and what's going on. So do not leave Pinterest out of your strategy, but it should not be your only strategy just because it's not necessarily a content creation platform. It's more of something used to promote other things, whereas like your Instagram posts or your Twitter posts or your blog posts, all of that is content creation. Pinterest just links to those. So be sure, that's kind of a side note, don't leave that out of your strategy. What about you? Did I leave something out? How are you promoting and marketing to teachers online? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below and share with everybody else who wants to learn where they might find their ideal clients. Next week, we're going to cover how to deliver a product once it's been purchased online. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when we put out that video. Until next week, go ahead and check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I will see you around. Bye!